In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the 255 enchantment level in Minecraft 1.21.5. So it's pretty easy. Let's say you want to get a chest plate, diamond chest plate with 255 enchantment level. So you're going to write down this. So as you can see, you're going to start with /give alt p, and you're going to go type in Minecraft and then diamond and then underscore chest plate. Over here you're gonna open brackets and type in Minecraft and enchantments, and then you're gonna type in equal, open these type of brackets and type in the protection. So you're gonna have protection 255, and then you're gonna close the brackets and close that with a bigger bracket. And after this, if you click enter, you should be able to see the enchantment level and the diamond chest plate being given to you, its protection and 255. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Narrator.